all the bad slimes. As you can see, we have 3 of those. And these are all the good slimes.
This one is the best.
This is kind of like a good bad. And here we have our containers. And we have this because sometimes it shows, so we don't want to cover it up.
Yeah, this is like basically it. If you get one of these, put it here, see?
So they just put it there.
Yeah. So you don't know because these two look the same.
Yeah, so
these two look the same, guys.
And this one. So
yeah, and that one.
So we're gonna do rock, paper, scissors, shoe to see who goes first. So let's get started.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoe.
Oh, dang it, I had to close my eyes. So let me close my eyes. You have to do a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Are you ready?
Not ready yet.
Are you done?
Not yet. Okay, guys.
You ready?
Put this paper towel on.
Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, so now she's gonna be. You done? Okay, so I want to keep mine.
Yeah.
Oh,
Guys, look, I got this one.
I got the bad slime.
I tricked her.
Sticky.
I got her the sticky one.
Okay, let's go.
I just got my nails on right now. Look, they're so messy now.
Let's go to the next round.
Everywhere.
Okay, so now she's gonna close her eyes, and I'm gonna get some slime. So don't peek. Close your eyes. No peeking. She's peeking, guys. Okay. Don't peek. Don't peek. Not yet. Okay, you can peek now. Okay, let me peek in mine. You just saw it.
No, I didn't. No, I didn't. No, I didn't. I want to peek. Yay.
Yeah, of course she saw hers.
No, I didn't. Guys. I never did it.
I got this.
Tell me in the comments below if I peeked, guys. Because I did it.
Okay. Her slime is very stretchy, as you can see.
Yeah.
Let's get moving to the next round.
Wait.
Okay.
Next round. Oh, by the way, my name is Isabella.
And I'm Carla.
Basically Carla because I call her Carly, but her name is Maria Carla, so yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna close my eyes now, and she's gonna actually do it. So,
guys.
oh my gosh! And you can switch up the balls.
Really?
Yeah. Hurry up!
One. Okay.
You done?
Let me peek. Okay.
I want to keep mine.
Yes! You always have to peek, girl. I'm just gonna do.
I got this good slime. It's the teal one.
Look,
It
there's
just farted.
things in there, guys. What?
The slime just farted.
Look, guys, there's like things in there. Ew, this is so gross. Look. Isn't that so gross? And good thing it's a tiny because I have that big time. I will not like it.
Okay, so let's get moving to the next round. Okay, so now you look away. Don't peek. Don't be. Don't.
Oh, well, I'm thinking, guys. You guys all or nothing. Okay. It's gonna get slime in my hair. I put slime all over the thing.
Oh, there we go.
One of those. Hey, Egg.
Fine.
Egg.
Okay, please don't peek. Cover your eyes. I'm gonna switch. Okay. Shush. I'm going to get this one, and that is a very slime. And for that slime, this is a very slime. You may look now. So now I have to peek. Okay. I got the bad slime.
Guys, I know everything. This slime is kind of like the same slime, like the same thing, but it's better because it's big.
Yeah, this slime I got this again. Two slime. Okay, let's move to the next round. Okay, so now she's gonna do it, and I'm gonna close my eyes. So.
There.
What?
There. Okay, let's do this, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna put this slime in this bowl thing, and then I'm going to put.
You ready?
Not yet.
Who was that?
Sorry.
Are you ready?
Not now. Wait.
Done?
Not yet.
Oh my god.
Wait, you can see the slime. Wait a second.
You ready?
Not yet. Okay, there you go. Leave it like that. Okay, I'm gonna peek now.
I want to keep mine.
Yes! Guys, I'm winning the whole game.
I wanted to switch, but I was like, probably it's a purple slime. I didn't know that.
Sticky. This is kind of hard, but at the same time, guys, it's really sticky. And it's so fluffy. And the this is like a butter slime.
Let's move to the next one.
Hi.
Okay.
Ready, guys?
So now she has to cover her eyes. Please don't peek like always. Okay, cover your eyes. Cover your eyes. Cover them. Cover them.
You guys are mean. I really don't want to stick in my mouth.
Cover them. So, this is... I'm actually going to put that one right there because I do not want her to peek. And then this one is very... You can peek now. So I just peeked in mine. This is my reaction to my slime. Yes! I got this good slime.
Guys, I was gonna switch, but then I'm like, maybe you switch this, maybe you here. I was gonna do that, but I'm like, no. This one is very sticky, guys. Look, when you just, it is so sticky. Look,
Let's move to next round. Come on.
look, guys. If you just put a little finger there, guys, it sticks a lot.
I know. Okay, let's move to the next round.
Yeah, stick off me.
Ah, it's so sticky. Okay, no. So let's move to the next round. Now I'm gonna look away, and she is going to get the slime. I'm scared. I'm
I'm gonna put a lot of slime, guys. This time I'll be 2 slimes in one bowl.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So you could have a one good one and the one bad one.
So if you put 2 in one bowl, you have to put if you put 2 in one, you have to put 2 good ones there or 2 bad ones.
Oh. Okay. but it won't fit in the bowl.
It doesn't matter, just cover it up.
But we don't have enough paper towel for that.
It doesn't matter, just leave it like that.
Okay, let's just do like one bowl and one, but you get to do rock, paper, scissors, shoot, and then I'll put another one and you can play with both of the fun, okay?
Okay. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready to peek.
I'm scared. Is someone crazy at the door?
Ahora están preparándose.
Mother.
Hombre, sí, baby. Hombre, sí.